Zombie Apocalypse.
Имало едно време една прекрасна принцеса.
На кога му пукала е?
Глупости на търкалета. Това са пълни.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ate the sharpest tool in a shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape. They start coming and they don't stop coming. That dude and I hit the ground running. It makes sense for the little fun. Your brain gets smart, your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. It's a game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Put the show on, get paid. Oh, we shooting stars by tomorrow. It's a cool place, and the shade gets cold. Now wait till you get older. The music and the rock. I hope this is like a what's more famous than what's not? I'm sure it's really more. It's for the rock. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Oh, we shooting stars by tomorrow. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Oh, we shooting stars by tomorrow.
Мисля, че е вътре. Така. Хайде да... Я чакай. Знаеш ли какво може да ти направи? Да. Ще си направи хляб от кокалите ти.
Не знаете ли? Това го прави гиганта.
А така ли?
Чудовищата, те са по-лоши. Те си правят супа от прясно удрана кожа. Пържат си черен дроб, стискват си сок от очи. Да знаете, никак не е лошо.
Махни се, звяр! Махни се, звяр! Къс! Махай се! Махай се! Боже мой!
Ако ще бягате, сега